and like being a 50 something year old now who has gone through a lot, and it's still going through a lot as it pertains to autoimmune illnesses, aging parents, y'all, dating, or getting back to dating, hopefully. um Changing lifestyles, thinking about the next chapter, in my life and what I want that to look like. Things have changed from 10 years ago. So I'm really interested in learning where you all are. And again, what you're interested, in seeing here, because I don't know. I've thought about doing a book club here because I still really enjoy reading. And I thought it would be cool for us to have like a opportunity to share with one another. Um, around like a book that we read. I love, love, love film. And I've been thinking about maybe doing stuff like that on the channel in some way, discussing film or movies, television shows, because I'm really interested in that. I have been gluten free for a long time, so I would love to like share recipes, but I don't know, and cook together. I don't know if that's something you'd be interested in seeing on the channel. So, like, am really looking for and interested in ideas, because I don't want my channel to solely be about, of course, the overwhelming, life changing situation I've experienced over the last several years, because there is more to life than just that, right? So, yeah, I'm really interested in learning where
This
every.
is a reminder. Take medication. This is a reminder. Take medication.
I've already taken my medication, so I'm good. But yeah, so yeah, I just want to know where you all are. All right. So, Um, so yeah, this is, I guess I'll talk about this a little bit, what I used on my hair. This is a curl cream from The Way, and maybe I'll tag it. But I used a curl cream, by the way, and as you can see, my hair is, it's not super big. This is just day one. I did it like I said, within an hour. I did, well, let me say this. I washed it and conditioned it last night. And then today I styled it. So I re-wet it and I put my leave-in in, and I put in the curl cream. And then I diffused my hair about 70%. And then these are the results. And the definition is like crazy on this. It's like, I always have really, really great definition with the Way products. And it's like super soft. Um, and it lasts a really good amount of time. Like I can get like a 5 days out of a wash and go or what have you, which I really, really enjoy. So it makes the stress of like having to redo your hair every, day or even every few days. It minimizes that. So I really enjoy it. Let's talk about, y'all talk back to me.